Hey, my crafty people. I am so sorry that it's been so long since you all got a video from me. I've been on vacation and I've had a lot going on at work, so it's been crazy. But I wanted to let you guys know first that I recently got back from a trip to Ikea and I got one of those utility carts, and we will unbox it and put it together. Like, I'll do a whole video of unboxing it and putting it together. And I bought a few things to go with it, not a lot. So I might just try to organize or do a little storing of some craft supplies with it. So stay tuned and check back later this week. I'll try to have that up in a few days. Bye!